How's it going, everybody? This is Lee, the office manager of Augusta of Whatcom County, and today I'm in a different location. You can see that I'm building a chair. I'm building a chair for Command Center. It's our slow season in the winter, so we don't have a ton of jobs on the schedule. So when I have time, I like to come over to Command Center and help out as much as I can. And today they needed chairs built. So today what we're gonna do with this video is give you a little bit of a tour of Command Center and kind of what we do here, what it's all about, and to show you this is a startup. It's not all glitz and glam. It's not all, multi-million-dollar deals and handshakes over mahogany tables or something, right? Like, we build our own chairs, we build our own desks, we get set up, but we're also a grade A professional organization. So that's what we're doing today, just kind of showing you what Command Center is like and how we run as Augusta Lawn Care Services. So we're here, Ferndale, Washington, Bellingham, Whatcom County, offices are about a mile or two that direction from us. So that's where I'm working typically, but Command Center is gonna be here handling all the franchisees, phone calls, emails, a lot of the scheduling for the full service franchisees. And then they're gonna handle a lot of the emails and phone calls and different things for us here at our local Whatcom County location. So today we wanted to show you, this is it. This is the brick and mortar. This is where it all gets done. So if you wanna come with me, we're just gonna give you a quick tour. All right, now we're upstairs, so let's take a look. Command Center, Augusta Lawn Care Services. All right, so we're gonna kind of pan around here and let you guys see what Command Center is doing right now throughout the day on this Friday. So first you're gonna see Liz. If you've seen the content, watch the videos. Liz is all over the YouTube channel, so we're not gonna interrupt her today. She's busy working right now. So she kind of has one foot in the local shop, one foot in the franchise as well. So she's kind of back-end support now for Lonnie as well as all of Command Center. She's helping train the new employees, putting together programs for the franchisees, and really just embracing everything that is Command Center, trying to streamline it and make it more efficient for everyone moving forward. Now over here, you'll see all our Command Center technicians. So all these lovely ladies over here, a few of them are newer hires, but they're getting trained up by Rachel and Michelle, who have been here for a while. And what they're doing right now is some of them are just practicing estimates and going through the training that Liz has put together for them. But a lot of them right now are live answering emails, setting up estimates, and sending out estimates to the clients. So that's what they're doing here. We're up and running at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we close at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So we have a wide range of service, and we're going to extend those hours and hopefully eventually be a 24/7 service for all the franchisees in the US and Canada. So we'll keep moving back this way, and then back here, we kind of have an auxiliary desk for Mike when he is at Command Center. So he'll be doing, phone calls, emails. Right now, he's actually on a coaching call with one of our franchisees on the East Coast. So this is a space we leave for him that's available so he doesn't have to be at his studio all day or at the local shop. That way he can kind of float around and be where he's needed throughout the day. So right here, he's having, looks like a good call with one of the franchisees. Then we'll swing around the corner here. And back here, this is Lonnie. You've seen her in the content as well as on the conference. She presented at the conference, and she's in charge of Command Center here. So she kind of has an office kind of tucked away in the back where she does a little bit more in-depth service for the franchisees. So she's going to be the one who's in charge of full service for the franchisees. So that's going to be, scheduling for them, sending their invoices, the whole 9 yards. That's what she's doing for the franchisees that have signed up for full service, as well as she helps train and kind of just oversees all of Command Center when Liz is not here. So that's kind of the quick tour, and we might hear from Lonnie more of the specifics, but hope that gives you guys a little bit of a perspective as kind of what we do here at Command Center and what it's all about.